They were asking if you were around, how you was, where you could be found. Told them you were living downtown, driving all the old men crazy. Back in town, boys are back in town.
Is flown by an all-marine crew, led by Captain Jackson Strife from Omaha, Nebraska. And to the right, Captain Strife will establish Fat Albert on a very steep approach angle, simulating landing in mountainous terrain or a hostile environment. To demonstrate the short field landing capability, they will touch down and immediately reposition the propellers to full reverse, stopping the aircraft in just 1,500 feet. You will notice, the aircraft can not only stop quickly, but also produce enough thrust to taxi back. Ladies and gentlemen, with the stars and stripes flying proudly above the cockpit, the Blue Angels C-130.